How to build an emotional connection with a girl. Most guys often fail to connect with a girl at emotional level because they focus more on how to impress girl rather than connecting with her. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can avoid the common mistakes guys make and what you have to do in order to connect her at an emotional level. In order to do that, you have to avoid two common mistakes most guys make and two things that you need to do. Mistake number 1, going into interview mode. When talking to a girl, most guys go into interview mode. They ask question after question. For example, they ask lame questions such as, where are you from? And what's your job? And on and on. When you ask questions simply to keep a dying conversation alive, girls can sense that. Mistake 2, just talking about everything at surface level. This is the biggest mistake. Most guys just talk about everything at surface level and they ask a lot about her. Some guys literally interrogate her, and you need to remember, interrogation is not seduction. You need to make her feel that you're asking out of genuine interest. Tip 1. Use statements instead of questions. The best way to connect with a girl is to talk in the form of statements rather than questions. Because talking in statements make her more comfortable around you. For example, instead of asking her, hey, what do you do? Make a guess and say something like, hey, you work as a so-and-so. I bet you work in so-and-so company. Tip 2. Understand the emotions behind the things. When getting to know a girl, try to understand the emotions and feelings behind the things. Because girls are creatures of emotions and feelings, they love this approach. Whenever you interact with a girl, try to bring the conversation around happy emotions so that she will connect at an emotional level with you. To connect with girls at an emotional level, you shouldn't talk in an interview mode. You shouldn't talk about everything at surface level. And you have to use statements instead of questions and understand the emotions behind the things.